came across a really interesting, I didn't even know this piece of lore existed.
Okay.
And it's really obscure. I'm going to get my phone out for a second, excuse me.
Yeah.
But there is a planet in the 40k universe called Birmingham. There is, yeah. There's a planet called Birmingham. Now, so for our listeners and our watchers, I don't know whether you may have noticed we have Birmingham accents. We are from Birmingham, so it's very close to us. So there's a planet called Birmingham. And I won't read everything into it, whatever. But essentially, it's described as a black planet.
Yeah.
And it's just dark and horrible and full of industry, and no one really wants to be there.
I mean, industry, definitely. Yeah,
it's obviously
the Black
Birmingham,
Country.
Black Country.
Yeah.
So the history of Birmingham, obviously industrial city. We have something called the Black Country. The Black Country is where a lot of the industry was. It's called that because of the amount of smoke
and
and factories that that was made. So, but quite hilariously, it was called the Black Planet. No one really wants to go there.
Yeah.
It's full of smog. It's not very nice. However, there is a Space Marine chapter that's on that planet.
And what is that chapter?
Called the Harbingers. Now, the Harbingers are a loyalist chapter.
Yeah.
They're of unknown founding. However, I was like, I wonder how much Games Workshops have gone into the whole Birmingham thing. So I looked at the chat. So I'm going to show James here. You can't really see. We'll put a picture up somewhere. But that's the colours of the Harbingers chapter.
Yeah.
Okay. And then I thought, well, what's the colours of the official Birmingham flag?
Is it the same?
They're the same.
That's great.
So just the colours for anyone listening so the Harbingers are kind of they're yellow. So imagine the main parts of their armour is yellow, except for the head and torso, which is blue, and then the chest aquila is red, and the colours of the Birmingham flag is red, blue, and yellow. So there you go. It's a little nod to our city. So if we actually wanted to have a real loyal chapter to who you are, then that would be the one to do it. Well, Birmingham's not a very nice place, is it? So if we just get
no one wants to go there.
If I think of the grimdark of the 41st millennium, I think of Birmingham city centre.
We're there now.
We're there right now.